The Mould King 1203 V8 engine building block set offers an engaging and educational experience for both car enthusiasts and aspiring engineers. This innovative kit features a fully functional V8 engine model, complete with adjustable speeds and precise piston movements, powered by a battery for realistic operation. With 1,169 pieces, the set provides a challenging yet rewarding assembly process, making it a great choice for those who enjoy intricate building projects. Designed to be compatible with other mainstream building blocks, this kit ensures seamless integration and expands the possibilities for creative construction. Safety is a priority, as the set is crafted from child-friendly ABS materials and undergoes rigorous quality control testing to meet safety standards. The Mould King V8 engine set is an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays, appealing to a wide range of ages from children to adults and collectors.